Now we will start question number D from question 1 in exercise 4.4. Question is, when I subtracted 11 from twice the number, the result was 15. So as we done in previous sums, a number, suppose let a number be x, now that is twice, so twice x, and when I subtracted 11 from that, so twice x minus 11, the result was 15. That means the result was 15, that means is equal to 15. So suppose how to solve this type of question. So for that, first of all, let the number be x. So we assume that that number was x. Now in that, twice the number, that means that 2 times the number, which is 2x. Now 11 subtracted from that, so 11 subtracted from 2x, it become 2x minus 11, and result is given, what is 15. So this equal to 15. Now we have to solve this equation. Now to solve this one, we all know 2x minus 11 is equal to 15. Now I have to find value of x. For that, first of all, 2x is equal to 15 plus 11. Here I may write transposing 11 to RHS. When I will change the sign, sign will be changed. This one is my LHS and this one is my RHS. So 2x is equal to 15 plus 11. It will become 26. This is the result of 2x. Now I have to find value of x. So for that, x is equal to 26 divided by 2. When I will change the side of multiple, then it will come in division. So transposing 2 to RHS. So here we all know x is equal to 2 13s are 26. So x is equal to 13 is solution for the given sentence. So here, or situation. So here we may write the required number is 30. Now moving to the next question. Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8. So question meant to say Munna subtract thrice the number. First of all, we have to assume that number. For example, so we are assuming let the number of notebooks with Munna be x. So x number of notebooks he was having. Now in that, thrice the number, that means 3 into x. So here we are writing thrice the number of notebooks is 3x. Now in from that, thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. So Munna was having 50 notebooks. Right now Munna subtract thrice the number of notebooks from that. So from 50 minus 3x. So we try to understand that Munna was having first of all 50 books. From that he subtracted thrice the number of notebooks. That means 3 into x. Now he finds the result to be 8. So which find result to be 8. That means when he subtracted 50 minus 3x, so when he subtracts thrice the number of notebooks from 50, he gets 8. In result 8 notebooks. So equation will be 50 minus 3x is equal to 8. Now here we have to solve this one, and we have to find the number of notebooks or value of variable. So for that, 50 minus 3x, here 50 minus 3x is equal to 8. Here we have to find value of x. For that, first of all, to find value for that, we have to remove this 50. So for that, when I will change the side of this 50, it will become negative. So here I can write transposing 50 to RHS. Now minus 3x is equal to 8 minus 42. 8 minus 42, we all know minus 42. Sorry, 8 minus 50. 8 minus 50, we all know is equal to 8 minus 50. Now 8 minus 50, we all know minus 42. Now minus 3x is equal to minus 42. Here both in from an LHS on in RHS, minus sign is there, so we directly cut that. Now 3x is equal to 42 is there, or you can cut it later too. Now 3x is equal to 42. Now this is the value of 3x. Now I have to find value for the x. So x is equal to 42 divided by 3. Here we can write transposing 3 to RHS. Now x is equal to 3 divided by 42. We all know 14 3s are 42. Now so here we can write 14 is a required number. 14 is a required number. Now question is completed. So this is how we have to solve this type of equation. Now moving to the next question. Next one, Ibn Hal thinks of a number. If she adds 19 to it and divides the sum by 5, she will get 8. Now Ibn Hal thinks of a number. That means she thinks a number and in that she adds 19. So first of all let the number to be x. Now in that she add 90. So in that she adds 90. So x plus 90 and divides the sum by 5. Now she divides this sum, the sum of x plus 19 by 5. Now she will get 8. So as a result she is getting 8. This is equal to be 8. So x plus 19 divided by 5 is equal to 8. So first of all Ibn Hal thinks of a number which is x. In that she is adding 19. So it will become x plus 19. And even in the sum of that, if she divide that one with 5. So x plus 19 divided by 5. In that she will get 8. So which is equal to be 8. So x plus 19 divided by 5 is equal to 8. Now we have to solve this one and find the value of x, or we have to find the value of the variable x. So for that x plus 19 divided by 5 is equal to 8. So first of all, how to solve this type of equation? Here first what will I do? First here I will, to find the value of x, I have to remove this 5. So for that x plus 19 is equal to 8 into 5. Here I can write transposing 5 to RHS. That means when I will change the side of 5, it will become in multiplication. So x plus 19 is equal to 40. Now this is the value of x plus 19. Now I have to find value of x. So for that 40 minus 90. When I will change the side of any number, then sign will be changed. So here plus 2 plus 19 to it will become negative 19. So 40 minus 19. Here I can write transposing 9 to RHS, and here I will write x is equal to 40 minus 19. I will get 21. So the 21 is a required number. So here we can write the required number is 21. So here question completed. Now moving to the next question. Last one is, Anwar thinks of a number. If he takes away 7 from 5 divided by 2 of the number, the result is 21. Anwar thinks of number. That means Anwar thinks a number. So for that we are assuming let the number be x. Now if he takes away 7 from 5 divided by 2 of the number, so first of all 5 divided by 2 part of the number, so 5 divided by 2 into x, from that it takes away 7. That means 5 divided by 2 into x minus 7, the result is 21. So he is getting 21. So 5x divided by 2 minus 7 is equal to 23. So this is how we have to make equation. Now we have to find value for this one, this x. So for that, first of all 5x divided by 2 minus 7 is equal to 23. Now to find the value of x, first of all 5x divided by 2 is equal to 23 plus 7, transposing 7 to RHS. Now 5x divided by 2, 23 plus 7, answer is 30. Now this is the value of 5x divided by 2. Now I have to find value of x. For that 5x is equal to 30 into 2. Here I can write transposing 2 to RHS. Now when I will change the side, division will become in multiplication. So 5x is equal to 30 into 2, 60. Now this is the value of 5x. Now I have to find value of x. For that, x is equal to 60 divided by 5. If I will change the side of 5, it will come in division. So here I can write transposing 5 to RHS. So x is equal to, we all know 5 12s are 60, so x is equal to 12. So here we may write the required number is 12. So here we are completing this question. If you are having any query or doubt in this one, then you may ask me. Thank you.